Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into setting up and managing an employee onboarding process on teamwork.com. First up, you'll need to log into your teamwork.com account and navigate to the Projects tab. This is where all the magic happens. The reason we start here is because this is the hub of all your operations. Now that we've done that, click on the Add Project button and select Employee Onboarding. This helps us because teamwork.com provides a default template for onboarding, which we can modify according to our needs. Once you've set up your onboarding project, it's time to customize it. Click on Tasks, then Add Task List. Name this list as per the different stages of your onboarding process like welcome, induction, training, and so forth. Let me explain why this matters. Breaking down the onboarding into stages helps in seamless and organized execution. Next up, add specific tasks under each task list. You can specify the task details, assign it to a team member, and set a due date. This is the heart of the onboarding process, where you detail out every step of the new employee's journey. Now, to ensure everything runs smoothly, you need to keep a check on the tasks. On the left side of your screen, you'll see an Overview tab. Click on it to get a bird's-eye view of your onboarding process. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Teamwork.com is constantly updating this view to reflect the progress of your tasks. Lastly, don't forget to use the Messages feature to communicate updates or changes to your team. It's essential to keep the lines of communication open for an effective onboarding process. And there you have it. You've set up and are now managing your employee onboarding process on Teamwork.com. Remember, a well-structured onboarding process can make a world of difference in setting up new employees for success. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next one.